Good morning, my friends, and welcome to my channel. My name is Henry Tetsia, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, you can please do well to click the subscribe button, and you can like my videos. You see, the channel can only do better when you like and when you subscribe. As of this time doing this video, my subscribers are just 2,517 videos. You can just help me by liking and subscribing. Thank you. Today, what we'll be looking at, or what I'll be showing you people today, are the seven, at least there are more than, but I will give you 7 places if you want to design your website, or if you want to build your website and you say, where can I see free pictures, because I do not have money to pay other platforms where I can download pictures for either my hero sections or use them in my website. Now I'm going to show you 7 free platforms where you can download your pictures. There are a lot of them, a lot, like I mean a lot, but I'll be showing you only 7. So the first one we'll be looking at is the Unsplash, splash.com. Now this is best for modern professional photos, great for businesses. Sorry, we need to spell that again. Splash.com. Yeah, and this is it. Splash.com. Like I say, you can use them for NGOs, landing pages, lifestyle, tech, whatever. It is very good. So this is it. This is how the interface looks like. Now you can see pictures. Some are portraits, some are landscape. And you see, you can just scroll, and if you need a certain or particular kind of picture, maybe you can come here. Here they say search photos and illustration. I can maybe see, you see, display Nigerian children, for instance, Africa, and then you see the pictures appear here, and you can go down, whichever picture you want. Let's say you want this picture, you click on it. Once you click on it, look at the download button here. It says download free. You hit on the download button and boom, you see it's downloading. Look at this green, this thing here showing. Now you see download finish, and then it shows me the picture. Now this is the picture I downloaded. So it is that pretty simple. The second one we'll be looking at is pixels.com. Pixels.com. Now this has free photos, free videos, excellent for website banners and hero sections. It is very easy to search on this system. Very easy to search on this system. So this is the interface, Pixels. You can see this is the interface. You can come search for videos you want to use. Look at videos you can use here. Look at them. A lot of videos. You can just do whatever you want to do. You can come here, click on photos, and the same way you can search for whichever photos or videos you want here, and then you can just hit the download button, and then it is going to be yours. The next one, we're going to Pixabay.com. Now Pixabay.com also has free photos, vectors, illustrations, videos, musics as well. Good for blogs. If you are creating blogs, it is very good. See, up here you can click on this video. You can see photos, illustrations, vectors, sound effects, 3D mode. Now somebody is asking me, what is illustrations? Now when you click on illustrations, this is what we call illustrations. Look at these things. You can use them on your, if you are good with editing videos for content and all of that. See them? That we call illustrations. Now if you are looking for vectors, this is what we call vectors. Or yes, you see, they are not really real pictures. they're kind of cartoonic in nature. So that's it. Now go to another one, freepik.com. Freepik.com. The pick is pik.com. Pik.com. The site can be reached. Let me refresh it. Okay. We combined Pixabay with Freepik. So let's leave it on Freepik alone. Freepik.com. Let's type that again. Freepik.com. Freepik is now magnific. Now they're just telling us now Freepik is no longer just Freepik. Freepik is magnific. Freepik. So they're saying Freepik is now magnific. So if Freepik is magnific, how are you going to see your images? Look at your images down. You can click if you want videos, you can click here. You see your videos, image generator. You can even generate images now. Wow, this has really improved. You can generate images, edit images, create, and all of that stuff. Let's come to stock. So you see, magnific now is formerly Freepik. So they have just traded not to only giving you pictures, but they've also made it in such a way that you can now generate images, generate videos, generate photos, and all of that. So the next one we are going to is vectizi.com. Look at it here already. Vectizi.com. So we'll just click on vectizi.com and then look at your images here. Popular royal free images. And all you need to do is you can come here, search for any kind of images. Let's say coffee. And this is it. You can either choose it to be template, to whatever, motion graphics, or whatever. I left it on vectors. I can put it on photos, and it will, you see. One good thing about this thing, you can change your orientation as well. Horizontal, vertical, square. So maybe I want it vertical or horizontal. Say it will load automatically and bring out vertical for me. So the next one is Shopify.com. Shopify.com. Now this is Shopify.com. So all you need to do is come here, type maybe I need pictures of dogs. Oh, I say dogs instead of dogs. Sorry, I need dogs. Yeah. So you see, very good for hero sections. Very good for hero sections. So you see. Now, before we go to the last one, please, this is my channel. You can like, subscribe, and we are good. Thank you. Pizza Henry. Now, the last one I'm going to give you is stocksnap.io. So this is this stocksnap.io. Maybe you see you're looking for African pictures. Just type African here. No result because there is double I. Very sensitive to spellings. So let's search now. 101 free African images. So you see our Afro. and all of that. Please, if you find this video useful, if it was helpful to you, because most people, they just know iStock, they just know what again, they just know Pixabay, they just know very few of these platforms. But today, at least, you are knowing more. You are knowing we have StockSnap. Maybe this is your first time of hearing StockSnap. We have PickJump, we have Shop, we have Canva Pix. We have a lot of them, lifeofpix.com and etc. etc. So gratis. We have one other one. I can even usually you say gratisography. Yeah, gratisography. Yeah. And etc. etc. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.